Hi, I'm Mark from Pedibal. We are a UK-based company providing a detailed and practical product design to the UK cycle market. And I'm here today to introduce you to our Pedibal Navigata folding e-bike. The Navigata is a compact, folding, lightweight, ergonomic yet robust design constructed to cope with the daily routine of folding and unfolding, ready for use upon dispatch, and all with an affordable budget. Fully loaded with 7-speed Shimano Tourer gears and 5 levels of assist, plus an additional walking and cruise control mode, all controlled via the thumb shift selector and the LCD display located at easy reach on the handlebar grips. The 20-inch lightweight magnesium tri-spoke wheel design with Kendo side reflector tyres help keeping you safe on the road at night, whilst helping reduce the overall weight of the bike. A braking system incorporating mechanical Tektro front and rear powerful disc brakes, featuring electronic cutout mode that immediately halts any power from the motor as soon as the brakes are applied. Not forgetting our bespoke DVSA approved twist and go throttle function that, if selected, can enable momentum independently of the pedals. The Navigata comes complete with a 36-volt 9.6 ampere branded battery pack and charger. When fully charged, depending on the terrain and the personal effort input, is capable of assisting your ride on average between 20 and 40 miles, powered by a UK-compliant 250-watt brushless motor. Another key feature is the discreetly located battery, hidden inside the frame where it can be charged via the small access panel. Alternatively, can be easily removed and charged independently of the bike if preferred. The bike has 2 folding points, one in the middle of the frame and the other at the stem of the handlebars, making it quick and easy with a minimal footprint for both storage and transporting. Incorporating a small safety stand built into the bottom of the frame to stabilise the bike when it's in folded state, and secured by the magnetic hub-to-hub locking mechanism. The dimensions of the bike when folding are 82 by 45 by 63 centimetres, and when fully assembled 152 by 64 by 113 centimetres, with a total weight of 19 kilograms, which includes a battery of 1.9 kilograms, which can actually be easily removed if required. The clean, flexible frame design can accommodate a rider anywhere between 5 foot and 6 foot 6 inches, with its adjustable seat and handlebar stem up to a max load of 120 kilos. Accessories are available but kept to a minimum for simplicity. However, based on our customer feedback, we now offer a rear pannier that fits perfectly on the predetermined mounting plates provided on the rear of the frame, along with a heavy-duty vinyl storage bag incorporating a handy pocket for any additional tools or equipment that you may choose to keep with you on your ride. With our daily scheduled collection, upon receipt of your order, our bikes are assembled and tested to ensure they're fully functional prior to dispatch, where they are packed in a heavy-duty motorcycle-grade shipping carton and collected daily via DPD using our next day free of charge service. All inquiries or further information requests will be treated with our no obligation policy to buy. Please feel free to give us a call on 020 3874 1355 or by email on sales@pedibal.com, where we're happy to respond at our earliest convenience.